What's the meaning of candida? Candida. Candida.
Candida. Candida. Candida is a type of yeast that is commonly found on the human body. It can overgrow in certain conditions, leading to infections such as thrush or yeast infections. Symptoms can include itching, discharge, and discomfort. Treatment may involve antifungal medications, changes in diet, and lifestyle modifications to reduce the risk of recurrence. It is important to seek medical attention if symptoms persist or if you have recurring infections, as prolonged untreated candida infections can lead to more serious health complications.